Hello, my name is Edward Pavone, and this is my favorite lifetime activity. Baseball has always been one of my favorite lifetime activities. Baseball is a sport that is played with at least 9 players on each team. The objective is to be able to score more runs than the other team, while the other team tries to get 3 outs in order to switch to offense. In order to score runs, you need to go to first, second, third, and then home, which leads to scoring 1 run. Why it's a lifetime sport? This can be considered a lifetime sport because when participating in this sport, you're always moving and never just stationary in one spot, no matter what position you play. This improves cardiorespiratory fitness because while playing this sport, your body has to always supply a good amount of oxygen to the body in order for it to perform to the best of its abilities. A little bit about the history of baseball. As we all know, baseball has been known as America's pastime since the beginning. Baseball was first made in the year 1845. With the evolution through the years, it has evolved into a league that spans across the United States called the MLB, as well as it being played across seas. A little bit more history. Since the game was first played to now, there are many different rules and regulations that have been added to the game at every level, from t-ball all the way to professional baseball. The one thing that has always stayed the same is that in order for you to play, you have to have at least 9 players on a team, 1 for each position on the field. What does it consist of? This activity consists of 2 teams playing a 9-inning game where one tries to outscore the other. One team is on offense while the other team is on defense. Skills needed for this sport: hand-eye coordination, full body coordination, muscular endurance, power, and speed. Some equipment that would be needed to participate in this sport were cleats, baseballs, a glove, a bat, batting gloves, socks, and a hat. Safety: when playing sport, in order to be able to be safe, there is only a very limited amount of safety precautions that you can take. Helmet and a protective cup are the 2 main things that will keep you safe. Other than just practicing proper form for throwing and hitting, this will keep you from getting injured. From my personal experience growing up, I saw how much baseball contributed to my overall health and awareness due to the fact of all the constant hours of training and practice I've had to endure growing up. This sport has definitely helped me be the best I can be, both physically and mentally.